Question. Recording transactions in the ledger is called options A. Bookkeeping, option B. Accounting, option C. Posting, option D. Balancing. Answer option C. Posting. Which of the following is a direct expense? Which of the following is a direct expense? Options A. Rent, B. Salaries, option C. Interest, option D. Wages. Answer option D. Wages. Unpaid salaries account is a dash account. Unpaid salaries account is a dash account. Options personal, real, nominal, none of these. Answer option A. Personal. Questions. Assets which lose their volume due to usage is called dash asset. Asset which lose their volume due to usage is called dash assets. Options A. Depleting, option B. Intangible, option C. Fictitious, option D. Floating. Answer option A. Depleting. Question. Consent is free when it is caused by. Consent is free when it is caused by options A. Coercion, option B. Fraud, option C. Undue influence, option D. Free will. Answer option D. Free will. Next question. General offer can be accepted by. General offer can be accepted by any person, the promise only, the promise or his agent, none of these. Answer option A. Any person. General lien can be exercised by agent, unpaid seller, finder of lost goods, banker. General lien can be exercised by agent, unpaid seller, finder of lost goods, banker. Answer option D. Banker. Audit conducted by the employees of the organization is called. Audit conducted by the employees of the organization is called. Options. Interim audit, internal audit, vouching, local audit. Answer option B. Internal audit. The first general meeting of a company is called. Option A. Statutory meeting, option B. Annual general meeting, option C. Extraordinary general meeting, option D. Board meeting. Answer option A. Statutory meeting. Dash company is a company created by special act in parliament. Dash company is a company created by a special act in parliament. Options government, registered, chartered and statutory. Answer option D. Statutory.